Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you some hidden settings to optimize your Android phone's battery life. Follow these simple steps to make your battery last longer. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification settings. Long press the Ultra Battery Saver icon to access the battery settings. Now, select Battery Mode and choose Battery Saver. And now click back and then select the Battery Saver settings. Enable the Don't Wake screen for notifications to save more battery. Turn off the option, Turn off when charged. Let's go back and select additional features. Click on the Turn off mobile data when device is locked. Choose in 5 minutes. Next, click Clear Cache when device is locked. Now choose in 1 minute. And final step, turn on 5G battery saver. Okay, last is click Scenarios and turn on sleep mode. And that's it. By following these steps, you can significantly extend the battery life of your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.